Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and here I am on board of this beautiful motorcycle. Can you guys tell me which motorcycle it is? By this blue color here, this dashboard? No? Well, I'm gonna tell you. It's the brand new 2023 V-Strom DE. It's an upgrade from the previous model, and finally the Suzuki, it's on top or on level with other manufacturers, with all the technology that it is inside, or when I mean inside, it is built on this, with this beautiful motorcycle. Now the V-Strom, it's really a good competitor. If you see the model previous from this one, which I have a review, you know that I liked it, but it was lacking things that all the competition had. It's finally here, guys. Now we have several levels of traction control, the riding modes, the levels of ABS, gravel mode, suspensions fully adjustable. This model here, the DE, it's more designed for off-road. So we have the 21 tube tires on the front, 21 rim tube tires on the front, 17 inches on the rear. All the assistance that you are used on Suzuki motorcycles: hill climb assistance, slope assistance, cornering assistance, everything that the EMU nowadays helps you, it's included in this model, and that makes all the difference for the previous model that I brought here on the channel. It's so pleasant to ride this motorcycle, guys. I've been enjoying it. Look, the windscreen full of bugs, everything. It's fun. It goes well off-road. It goes really well for your commutes every day to work. If you want to travel with your wife or whatever, of course you have to buy the how you say, the luggage, the top case and the side cases and everything. It already comes with crash bars, protection for the engine, end guards, a lot of things already included on this model. And of course we are talking around the 16,000 euro motorcycle. The price it's down on the description, or if you wait, it will be in the end of the video. So let me go, just change to this side a little bit. As you can see, today or now it's not a good time to do test ride because it's traffic, but it's the only time I have, so I will do it. It's super comfortable motorcycle. I do like the seat, is very comfortable, riding position is good. Quick shift, we have the quick shift. I almost forgot, we do have quick shift, bidirectional up and down on this motorcycle. And for this quick shift to work, we do have this V-twin engine, 1037 cc's, 108, around 108 horsepower at 8000 rpm, 100 newton meters at 6000 rpm, and also a 6-speed gearbox. Okay, I was gonna say, I don't know why I was gonna say 5, but it's a 6-speed gearbox, man. And like I was saying, with this quick shift, it's buttery smooth, everything works like a charm. It's so nice, the motorcycle, guys. You really have to go and try one and see how good the motorcycle and how much better it turned out to be. More things I just noticed: we have here a USB socket if you want to charge something, and now we're gonna see what this engine can do. Whoa, go baby, go, 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 go. Quick shift up. And quick shift again. Whoa, super cool, look at this. Wow, look how fast it goes. They say top speed it's 190. I don't need to reach the 190. I can honestly tell you that at this moment the windscreen is at a higher position. And since I am a tall guy and I'm riding with my neck helmet with this thing here on the top, I don't know how to say it in English, around the 160 for me, it's the limit. More than that, my head will be shaking all over. Talking about the windscreen. This windscreen, it's shorter than the previous model. It is a little bit more wider, which basically means it gives you more visibility when you are riding off-road and less protection when you do want to commute. But then again, at these speeds that I'm going now, if I around 120, 130, I was fine, okay? It's just more than that is when the top of my helmet started to interfere, so I had no intent of going much faster, and it was super fun. It is super fun. Super fun to ride this beautiful motorcycle, man. Suspensions are really good. The brakes also, they work like a charm. Let me just a little bit of throttle and I can overtake easily without have to downshift and everything. And then if I do need to apply the brakes, I just do this and it's braking. ABS working, everything working. Let's go this side here. We go slow now, and next step we're gonna see it off-road. Okay, here we are in a place a little bit off-road, not too much, but before we go, let me show you all these modes and buttons here and everything. So you press mode, traction control G, which is gravel, off, you can take traction control off, 1, 2 or 3. So since we are here, we're gonna leave it in gravel. Press mode again, the riding modes A, B or C, so more powerful A, intermediate B, C less powerful, and ABS, I have ABS off at the moment, and we do have 1 and 2. I'm not gonna change, I'm gonna leave it off. If you press this button up, we enter in the configuration menu. The first one is ride, we press mode, so you can set the RPMs, we can set the quick shift on or off. It'll all set also on or off. Basic, that's it. Exit, info, warning list, next service, exit. I'm just showing you, just use these buttons here, and the settings, the brightness, the day and night, the brightness of the screen, day and night or automatic. So let's put automatic, let's put black, it's gonna stay black. We do exit, units, date and time, default set, system info, and exit. And next one we press close. And now we're gonna shift one and start our fun. Here we go. Let's stand up. Oh yeah. Yes, it's fun. It's a really good position standing up. At least for me, I'm a tall guy, and I'm feeling comfortable riding standing up. I do have my visor open at the moment, okay guys, that's why it sounds a little bit different. I've never been on this track, it's my first time here, so I'm going slow because I see there's people running over here. But this motorcycle allows you to do this and much more. Okay, of course you can do much more, and it's gonna exit there, it's gonna hit the road. So let me try find another way. So if I sit down, if I go this way, let's see where this leads. I have no idea where this road leads, okay? It's my very first time here. Yeah, I like it like that. There it ends, we can go this way. Oh, trying to find new routes. Maybe a place where I don't get... I can go this way. It looks good. It looks okay. Let's try it. It's all brand new to me. I just hope there is an exit somewhere. Just have to go slow, carefully, because people are here. And crossroads, cross to the other side. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. That's why the V-Strom also crossed the road, to get to the other side. Do I have an exit here? Move pigeons. Yeah, I can go here. Wow, the rear wheel sliding. Wow, so cool. Wow, this is cool. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Super fun, super agile. And now we're gonna take a look at the specs. And here we are with this beautiful motorcycle. Let's start with the color. This is one of them. It's going to be in three colors, the yellow and the black. As you can see, this one is pretty nice. The seat height 820 millimeters. It's not for everyone. You can adjust it 20 millimeters up or down. It's going to depend on your height. Fuel tank 20 liters, so you have around 300-370 kilometers range, because I saw there on the dashboard it's averaging 5.6 liters every 100 kilometers. Total weight 252 kilograms. It's not light. It's doable for off-road if you have more experience. If you are a novice, you can do this terrain where I'm doing right now. The ground clearance 190 millimeters. And basically those are the things I want to... Oh, okay. I want to say this support for the handlebars here that we have here are a little bit wider than in the previous model. Also, the handlebars are just a little bit wider, which according to Suzuki, it gives you a better handling while riding, at least off-road. Having said this, let's take a look at the front, where we do have this adjustable windscreen. Manually, like I said, I don't like it very much. All the lights, everything, it's LED. Upside down suspension, 41 millimeters, totally adjustable, a course of 170 millimeters, which means we have an increase of 10 millimeters over the previous model. Crash bars, protection for the engine, 2 discs, 310 millimeters with 4-piston calipers, and to complete the set, we do have these spoke rims with the Dunlop tires, dimensions 90/90. Here on the rear, we do have the seat. Both seats, they are comfortable enough. Handles for the pillion, rack for the top case, all the lights like in the front, everything it's LED. The supports for the side cases, really nice exhaust with a good sound. The rear shock, it's 61 millimeters travel, which means we have an increase of 9 millimeters from the previous model. One disc with ABS, like I told you, you can disconnect the rear ABS. And to complete all this set, the 17 inches spoke rim, again with the tube tires, Dunlop Trail Max Mixture, dimensions 150/70. And this is it, my presentation review of the new Suzuki, the V-Strom, the DE. I have to say it in English. I think it's a really well balanced machine. Now that it's finally on 2023 with all these new upgrades and technology, this beautiful dashboard, I do really like this beautiful dashboard. Then we do have the traction control, the hill climb assistance, the quick shift, the slope inclination, the EMU that controls the ABS and all that stuff. It's a very, very practical machine for dual purpose, for road, for commuting, and for a little bit off-road. I'm a novice, so I did just a little bit to show you what it is. One thing I forgot to mention, we have here a place where you can hold or attach GPS nav if you do want, and I think that's it. You just have to enjoy it. Yeah, if you are in Portugal and you listen to my videos, go to my partner, which is up here somewhere, and this motorcycle will be there for test ride. And if you did like this presentation of the new Suzuki 2023, the V-Strom, you know what you have to do, guys. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell below to receive my future videos, leave your comments down below, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!